He's about here. Here's Will down there. We're at the red bed, thunder egg bed on Richardson Ranch. We're digging some thunder eggs. I'm gonna go here and see what Will's working on. Yeah, looks like Will's got one that he's working on there.
Another one.
Yep, that one's pretty broken. We're gonna leave it here. Unless it has some good moss in it. I think we'll just leave it.